Hello, I'm Darren Prine. You may know me from my films such as The Erotic Astronaut or my books like How to Be Ruggedly Handsome, Part 1. I'd like to tell you about an upcoming event that will be attended by the most intelligent, popular, and attractive CX executives in the business. Yes, this is an event with the cool kids. The event is the Next Generation Customer Experience Workshop, and it's going down on October 16th in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. At the event, we will teach you all the latest and most important tips and tricks to providing the world's greatest customer experience. From what you'll learn, it's very likely you'll become the biggest sensation in your company. I won't be surprised if you get a promotion, a big pay raise, and maybe an exotic company car. Join the in-crowd and register today. The link to details and registration is in the comments. You'll look forward to meeting me in Fort Lauderdale.